you're looking for an easy summer recipe, sausage, pineapple bites, or kebabs, stick around. We're gonna get right into it. We did this appetizer in Memphis in May where I was looking for something quick and easy to serve people on little cups and plates. And so this is Polish Kielbasa sausage that you could buy, get some fresh pineapple, use my sweet red dirt and my cherry sauce, put these as little kebabs. And my friends, this is a great, easy summer recipe. And really, you don't even have to call it a recipe because there's really not too much to this. Just showing you some steps of what you can purchase. I like to cut these down the middle, and if you want to be fancy and you want to cut these sideways like fancy sausage, you can do that, or you could just go straight and serve them this way. So we could cook this just like this on the grill. I'm going to leave one whole, and I'm going to slice one other because I want to show you a few ways that you could grill this directly over the fire, and then you could also just cook this as a whole link, which is what I typically do. But then we're going to just grill this for 2 or 3 minutes, maybe max 5. It just depends on how long it takes to cook, but slicing them up, putting them on grill grates real quick will cook pretty fast. And then we're gonna pair this up with some fresh pineapple. So we're gonna fire up the Kamado Joe Big Joe today. I have a lot of different grills going for different videos. This grill is overkill for just some sausage, but it's what I've got available to me. So we're gonna take you to the grill, get this thing fired up, start grilling these sausages, bring you back for the next steps. So we're gonna go ahead and put the sausage link on this bottom one. We're gonna put these sliced ones just because I wanted to show you, hey, you could do it a few different ways. Slicing this or doing the whole links, but we're going to try to speed up the cook on slicing one and then also cooking a whole link. We're going to let this ride for 5 or 6 minutes until it's done, and we'll bring you back. All right, friends, I just flipped this one over. We got a nice char on one side. Look at that. Literally, we are doing another cook, and you got to just stay on sausage. But this is pretty much probably another few minutes, and we are done, man. But you got some good grill marks. Doing this directly over the grill. Those look amazing. Get a plate, pull these off, and we'll start making our little kebabs. They're gonna be awesome. All right, friends, we got these sausages complete. So what I like to do is I like to just literally put the sausage in first, and then I'm doing an appetizer and I'm just serving one big crowd. I just do one. You could get another 2 on here. And then what I like to do, and then what I typically do is put this in a little foil pan, and then I just sauce this up just like this. And you might ask, can I grill the pineapple? 100% you can. But I kind of like the texture of fresh pineapple with the grilled sausage. I just think it is a great flavor. We served hundreds of thousands of people, about 1,000 people for a week. This appetizer, people loved it. They love the contrast of the sweet and the savory, and I think you will too. So we'll keep on building these, bring these back, show you the final look, and then do a taste test and let us know what you think. All right, friends, it's taste test time. All right, Kayla, let's get you a good fresh pineapple, a smoky flavor here. I'm gonna take the big dog where I doubled it up. I wanted to show you that you can also double this up, but you gotta do sausage and pineapple at the same time.
It's good.
Come on.
It's so bright and dark at the same time. Like,
I'm telling you, sweet, savory. It blows up in your mouth. Is that the right way of saying it? It just,
yeah.
I'm telling you, I love the contrast of fresh pineapple with the savoriness of this sausage.
I think not grilling the pineapple keeps it more moist. Because like a lot of times when you char pineapple, it takes some of that moisture out, and this just bursts, and it's so good.
That's a great word for it. Like the pineapple bursts with flavor, with that little savoriness on the back end. Let us know in the comments what you thought of this cook. This is super easy, awesome summer grill idea for your family, something quick and easy as an appetizer or even a meal, and just eat a bunch of this. I'm telling you, it's so good. Get yourself already cubed up fresh pineapple, or get your whole pineapple and cup it up yourself. If you're finding value in the video, be sure to like, subscribe, do all the things, leave in the comments things that you have questions about. Check out our playlist on Kamado Joe and all the recipes. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.